Good evening, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. It's travel day. We are both very, very excited. We're about to hop in an Uber, head over to MCO, hop on a plane, and get out to California. Finally, we have so many fun, exciting things planned over the course of this next week. Let's not waste any more time. I hope you guys are ready because we are. Let's go do this. The I-4 Express for the win. We get to bypass this traffic. Thank goodness, because every time I go to the airport, I'm always so nervous that I may miss my flight. All right, and here we are at the Orlando International Airport. What the heck is this guy doing? All right then. I love that American Airlines has these kiosks. That way we can just print out our luggage tags and information, put them on, and then head through TSA. That was probably the easiest check-in process of any flight I've ever been on.
Yes.
But now let's go through security. Says it's about a 15-minute wait to get through security, and then we'll probably find some coffee or something to eat, possibly. Passing by the Magic of Disney store. They have some nice stuff. We can't go shopping yet, but that is the new 50th anniversary Spirit jersey.
Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah, that's very nice. I wish it was blue though.
Yeah. $84.99.
$84.99. Getting a small preview of Disney before we get over to Disneyland. We have made it to our terminal. We are at gate 58, so we're heading in the right direction. We have a Ruby Tuesday, a Wendy's, trying to figure out if we want a bite to eat or some coffee. The beverages and especially the waters are so expensive at the airport now. They don't even put pricing on the shelves at all. We did get some goodies for the flight. It's just about time to start boarding the plane. I don't think this is our plane. It looks like it, but it is not our gate. Here we go. Does anybody else like to touch the plane before they get on? I always like to. What a long flight, but we made it. We have landed safely here at LAX. Now we need to go get our baggage and go get our rental car. I did not miss walking through LAX. This place is a maze. But look at this Black Panther Wakanda Forever signage here. That's awesome. The witches are back. By the way, on the way here, I finally had time to watch Top Gun Maverick. It was a fantastic movie. I also watched Jason Bourne, and then I finished with watching the Lakers play. Yay! Our bags made it. Also, we got to run into Brianna from Teen Mom. Is it 2 or just Teen Mom 2?
Just Teen Mom.
Just
One
Teen
of them.
Mom. That was really cool. You never know who you may see at LAX. We have now made it on our shuttle. That's going to be taking us over to Alamo, where we are renting our car from. We got upgraded to a Dodge Challenger. I've always wanted to drive one of these, and it's happening today. Look at this. How nice. Good old LA traffic already. Oh my goodness, there's the Disneyland monorail. Yes, it's happening. This has really become like a tradition. Every time we land, we have to drive right to In-N-Out to eat. This place is delicious. It's so freaking good. It's addicting. We always order a #1, but this time we ordered protein style. Check it out. I got a double protein style. So instead of a bun, it's lettuce wrapped. And then I got the pink lemonade, some fries. I'm in heaven. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. This is wonderful. Very, very good. It was worth the wait. Just arrived to our hotel, about to check in and head up to our room. All checked in, and look at this. They have a Starbucks downstairs here inside of the main lobby. That's a plus. This is a Disneyland Good Neighbor Hotel, and you can also purchase your official tickets here as well. All right, hello. I have switched over to my big camera. We just made it up to our hotel room. I like this room. This is our second time staying here at the Hilton Anaheim. I just really like it because it's a really good option to have, because all of the Disneyland hotels are very expensive right now, and we're just right across the street from Disneyland. We can actually see Disney California Adventure from our window, which is awesome. Plus, I can use my Hilton Honors points by staying here. I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour, and then I think I'm gonna call it a night because we are both very, very exhausted from the trip. Okay, you have the front door. Here's our bathroom. Very simple, clean, and basic, but you guys know I like basic rooms every now and then. Here's the bathtub with your shower. Then coming out, you have your closet with your safe, ironing board, hangers, and a laundry bag. And then right on the other side of the closet, you have a full length mirror to check yourself out before you leave. Also, look at this fancy Hilton thermostat. Moving on to the other half of the room, we have a king size bed. You have your telephone, and over here you have a little coffee maker, 2 waters if you want to purchase them for $5. Down here you have your refrigerator, storage space, ice bucket cups, really nice size TV. You have your office desk. You have a nice little chair over here. Check it out. Right there is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout and Disney California Adventure right there. Then over here, we can see the main pool area. I think that's gonna do it for tonight. I'm going to hop in the shower and we're going to bed because we have a super long day tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It is the next day. I ran downstairs and got a Starbucks because it's very convenient that a Starbucks is downstairs. Plus, they had a designated line for Hilton Honors Gold and Diamond members, so I really did not have to wait in line, which was very nice. 2 coffees, egg bites, and a pumpkin cream muffin. Here's a much better look at Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. This was formerly known as their version of Tower of Terror. And then we can kind of see the back of Radiator Springs right there. Other than that, that is the convention center right here. We can kind of see some mountains back there off in the distance. And then here's the pool. Yeah, this room is very nice. I like the view. All right, we have a long day. The vlog is not over just yet. Do you want to talk about the bed first? Like how comfortable it was?
Yeah,
and it was
the
quiet.
bed was, yeah, it was quiet. We have like a corner unit,
Yeah.
so there's no adjoining room, which we love. And yeah, I like the bed. I love Hilton hotels though.
Yeah, you can't go wrong. We're not doing Disney until the end of our trip. Today, we are going over to Universal Studios Hollywood, and we are also doing Halloween Horror Nights.
Yes.
Out in Hollywood.
And we are bringing a change of clothes just for that because it's hot right now, but I know during the evenings it cools down.
Yeah, it gets pretty chilly. It was very chilly last night.
Yeah.
Before we drive over to Universal, I think we're just going to do a few things around Hollywood that we both want to do. Welcome to downtown LA, as there's even more traffic. I have to say, I am having so much dang fun driving this Dodge Challenger. Just really happy to be here and just seeing the sights of Los Angeles. And we have so much to do on this trip with not that much time. Like, I feel like a week isn't long enough in California. Next up, we are doing a little bit of shopping at Quay, which is where I get my sunglasses from. They have so many different pairs to choose from. Mission accomplished. I got myself a new pair, and then Bianca found a pair as well. Oh wow, we can see the Hollywood sign right there. That's awesome. Parking here is so extremely difficult and frustrating, but we made it.
We made it.
What are we doing before heading over to Universal?
So we are at the Erewhon market to try the infamous Kourtney Kardashian Poosh collaboration.
Wait,
Detox Smoothie.
I want the Hailey Bieber one though.
Or the Hailey Bieber one. There's 2 different ones, so we'll probably get one each, try it, see how it is. And
We're trying to be California locals today.
Yeah.
I love it. Ooh, there it is. That's the one Bianca wants. It's so cool being in here. Like, I love this California lifestyle. It's a lot of fun. I have never seen a big bottle of kombucha. I love drinking this stuff. I know, I mean look at this.
Look at this.
They have mint limeade. These grapes look so good, but look how much they are. Dang. And over here, there's some grab and go items. They have a little bit of everything. Coffee cake, overnight oats,
Our favorite.
sea moss.
They sell sea moss.
I also want to try this elderberry wellness shot. I can't look at the price just for a small shot. How much did we just spend on both of our drinks?
With tip.
We're on vacation.
With tip, it was over $40 for 2 smoothies.
Oh yes, those are ours. I'm pretty shocked right now. These are the best smoothies I've ever had.
Yeah.
Delicious, fresh, healthy. How's yours?
Really good. The black in here is like charcoal, so it's gonna detox.
And I got the Hailey Bieber one. Man, this is so good. Now I know why they're
But is it
quite
worth
pricey.
$20?
I wouldn't say they're worth the price, but let me try yours again.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, like I said, they're both amazing.
This one has collagen in it. This has like coconut, blueberries, bananas, and this is more strawberry. This is sweeter.
Well, cheers.
Cheers, babe.
We made it. We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. There's the Hilton that we got to stay at the last time we were here last year. Very nice hotel. It was also very convenient just walking across the street over here to the park. Look at this. My, oh my. We are here at the front entrance. It is also such a beautiful day here in California. All right, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here at the front entrance of Universal Studios Hollywood. But be sure to come back because the next few videos will be from inside of the park, both during the day and for Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood. You know, when I started this video, we were at our house in Orlando. Now we're ending the video here in Hollywood. How cool is that? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. I love you all in YouTube. I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me.